like a recycle bin where you can put bottles. One thing that is really beautiful that I've seen about Paris is their conscious way of being more eco-minded, which I've known about, but it's really beautiful to see. Um, and also their value of nature, whether it's real flowers or even fake vegetation, quite frankly, on a restaurant shop, it still gives the, I guess, illusion, but it still gives the value of nature, of flowers, of beauty. And so you're in a city, but it does not feel like a concrete jungle. It feels like there's plenty of nature around. So that's a cool take back for me, because I'm such a nature lover, but I feel very at home here as well.